Latest crypto and NFT news. 3commas confesses API keys leak was a security breach. A few days ago, 3commas users' API keys were stolen, which the platform's CEO claimed to be related to phishing attacks. However, recently, the platform confessed that it was the source of the leak. 3commas is a leading crypto trading bot software handling the data of thousands of users. It is connected to big exchanges such as Binance and KuCoin to access the market and help its users to make profits. The API keys leak occurred when some traders reported that crypto tokens worth $22 million were drained out after someone posted 100,000 keys publicly, making user data vulnerable to hackers. At first, the co-founder of 3commas Yuri Sorokin blamed it on a phishing attack and also announced that it had no security breach in their system. On December 28, Sorokin came on Twitter to admit that it was actually an attack. Visit our website for more news.